Hello everyone, welcome to our channel EME Technologies. Do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button for latest updates. This is the best time to make yourselves productive, so feel free to contact us for industrial training and summer training for ultra productivity and peak performance.
Hello friends, my name is Rakesh Kumar. I am pursuing BTech from Swami Sarvanand Group of Institute, and I am pursuing my 6-month training at EME Technology, and I have experienced so much comfort EME Technology. Our guidance, Akshay sir and Vandana ma'am helped me for everything, for every technical points. She gave me so much knowledge about my project and helped me to complete this. So I want to thank Vandana and Akshay sir and also EME Technology. Thank you.